Hi, you guys. It's Jennifer, and welcome back to Busy Being Jen. I'm here today to talk about how you can easily untangle fine or curly hair. So I hope you'll come along with me and be sure to subscribe. If you have fine or curly hair, you know the problems you can have after you take a shower trying to get a comb or brush through your hair. Or if you have a child or a grandchild in your life whose hair is really difficult to comb through after getting out of the shower, then I have a little trick for you. My hair, though it doesn't look like it, is really curly, like frizzy corkscrew kind of curly hair. And I have always struggled with trying to, comb it out after a shower. So there are a couple things I'm going to recommend for this. First of all, don't ever get in the shower with like especially a little kid, with having rat's nests in their hair. Try to get that out before or brush through it. And one easy way to do it is start holding it up here and comb from the bottom and work your way up. But that's not my tip. So the easiest thing to do is when in the shower, wash your hair with shampoo. And then when you have conditioner in your hair, then you take a wide tooth comb. So you want a comb that has, big spaces between all the teeth. And you comb starting from the bottom and you comb and work your way up with the conditioner in your hair. And so all that creaminess from the conditioner is just going to make any tangles you have slide right out. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you are not a subscriber to Busy Being Jen. I hope I'll see you again, you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.